Hi everyone. Are you someone who is interested in traveling? Then you should definitely have a bucket list of places that you want to visit. So that is where this Chrome extension becomes very useful. You can download it from the Chrome store. It's called Travel Bucket List Tracker. So once you install it, you can pin it here. I've already pinned it. So then you can click on Open World Map. So here you can add any location that you visited. Let's say this is Greenland. So if I click on it, it says now it's I have visited. Now I can change the date I have visited it. I can also upload image from that particular location. So if I want to remove it, I just say remove it. So these are the places that I visited, and these are the dates on which I have visited these places. So in this way I can track, okay, out of 26, out of 258 countries I have visited. So here we have only 195 countries that is recognized, but there are many unrecognized countries also. So that is the reason you see 258. So now if I go to the India map, you can see various places in the India map that you can visit. So here also you can visit these places and it will show up. The number of states is 36, that is including union territories. So after you do all this, you can come here and click on export certificate. Then you can put any name. So I just put Johnny Rhodes and say OK. Then it's asking me to whether I want to share in Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, or download as an image. I'll say download as an image. Now if I open this, you can see various countries that I have visited. So it's giving me a certificate of completion. So if you look at 16th in April, that means on April I went to Malaysia. So on 14/26 you see in October, that means Thailand and Australia I went in October. So in this way you can track and share with people, and it will inspire you to travel to many more countries. So this is the travel calendar for this year, and if you see the total count, this is the lifetime countries that you have visited. So I hope it's useful. Thank you very much.